broke this line and we reject it, and we the seller stay here, and they sell the price and bring it down to this level. As you can see, a lot of buyer push the price and bought the price, and this is lots of position has been liquidated. Okay, it is 24th of May 2024, and we are here for Bitcoin and Ethereum analysis. I think this channel can come down to this way, and this one it will be like this, and it would be better because as we can see, as we can check, we are even here. Yesterday on a Bitcoin analysis, I told you that we broke the channel from the top, and when we broke the channel from the top or from the down, we can make another channel. And as you can look, it came to the new channel, is it the second channel, and it go up to the middle line of the channel, because I said this is our channel, and if I take it and bring it again to the top, put another one, as you can check, exactly in the middle of the channel, mid-line of the channel, had a reaction and pushed down the price and came to this level again. All right, then we are on a daily time frame for Bitcoin. We are in a range side, we are in a range, and as you can see, we have this kind of range and sideways between these two line. Okay, this line and this line. Then we should see confirmation, we should see which side of the market has more power. If you trade daily, you should wait for this line as a resistance and this line as a support. Which one break? As you can look, 1, 2, 3 times in a daily time frame. It is important. In a daily time frame, came to this level, and 1, 2, 3. We count this one 3, 4. Break it and fake break and push to the higher price, push to the top, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Came to this price, and again buyer bought this Bitcoin. They didn't want to let Bitcoin to go to see the lower price. Now, as we can see, we need a bit power of the buyer to push the price to go to higher, and to go high, to go to the top, to go to see a higher price easily. If we can see enough power of the buyer, we can, because we already pushed the price to this level. If we wanted to go down, we should go down here. Again, we can go, but I'm telling you, I see with a lot of information, with a lot of things, with a lot of news, fundamental things that we can see. I think when the price came to this level and broke broke this trend line in the top of the channel and broke it and go down, and it just retested this level. And if you are a React trader, as you can see, you can even in a 4-hour time frame, you can. This is not my strategy because I don't trade like this, but if you are a reaction trader, if you see, it is not telling you go and buy. If you see a good candle, a green candle with a power of a buyer in this line, in this area of the market, you can go for the long. For here, in this area, you can open your position in this area, and your stop loss would be here, and you can go with your position. You can be with your position to the top of this channel and even stay for more. All right, this is my things for Bitcoin. But for me, for myself, I'm waiting for here somewhere. This is an important line for me, and I put it as a 2x, and I'll keep it here. This would be here, come to the lower price to this high, and I would stay for this line. I don't move it to the down because I want to see a new reaction to this line when the price come up to this level. And let's go to the Ethereum. I had in yesterday and the day before, I showed you that I had risk reward ratio about 9.2 until this level, and I showed you yesterday that I closed my position in a risk reward ratio 9, and I got $802 profit. And yesterday I opened a position again on this area. I opened my position with a stop buy in this area because I put my stop buy above this 2 candle because I saw the market is not gonna wait for me, and I put my stop loss here. If I wanted to be a bit risky, if I put my stop loss here until here, I could get my stop. I could get a risk reward ratio 2. I wouldn't close my position because I wanted to stay with this position. And now for today, again, we are in a, if we go to 4-hour time frame, we broke this line and we reject it, and we the seller stay here, and they sell the price and bring it down to this level. As you can see, a lot of buyer push the price and bought the price, and this is lots of position has been liquidated. Okay, now a lot of buyer push the price to this high, and as you can look, the volume of the market when the price is going to this level, it was a bit strong, but I'm not going to have a short. It is a bit risky, okay? But again, for Ethereum, I can see a lot of power on the market, and I'm not going for have a short position. Again, if I want to go for short, I'm staying here to break this line, and again, when it's want to go to break this level, then I'm going for short. I'm not going for short right now for like here. It is a good area. It is a good and beautiful area to have a reaction long position on this area. If you can see a good and powerful candle, green candle here, you can open your position with this level and have for example something like this with this stop loss, and just you can risk 1%. If you don't know how to risk your money, if you don't know how to risk on any position, risk reward ratio, money management, when I say 9 times risk reward ratio, what does that mean? It means I just risk 1% of my total amount of my account. That was 10,000. I show you everything on this channel on my Mexi account. I showed you yesterday that I earned $800. I risked just 1% as $10,000 my amount of my total amount of account. It means $100 I risk. And then you saw 8 times more I got, $800. 2 times I take profit and I close my position, and $800 I got. It means yesterday I've got a stop loss, right? I've got a stop loss in here. I'm telling you, I didn't log into, if it's login, I show, let me see. It is login. Yeah. Let's see. This is my position. You can see last night I sleep. I wanted to go to sleep and I put this stop buy again because I know, I'm not saying I know, because I wanted to see if the market wants to go up. I didn't want to lose again because I came here to this level, and you can see I've got this position. You see it says green, I open my position here with this stop loss, and this is first time I take profit and close part of my position, and the rest, as you can see, I close here the rest of my position. Again, I open my position here with this stop loss, and with this candle I've got stop loss, and I lost $100. I lost $100, and this is the way I'm trading, and this is new position, and I put, and if you can see, my position loss is, if I open this position, it means I just lose $100, not more than that. My total amount, as you can see here, it is 1,200. It was $500 in this account, and yesterday, in the last 3 days, because I wanted to show how I trade, I bring it up for you, and it was $500 because I don't bring all of my money to exchange. And first things for trading, don't forget, always put in isolated. Don't put on a cross, always has to be on isolated. All right, then I showed you this is TP and stop loss. If it shows me position history, yeah, as you can see, this is for yesterday. I lost $101.43, right? It is on Ethereum. Yesterday I opened my position, and this is for yesterday as well. $801 I've got profit of the position and of the position I opened here on 9.18 receiver ratio. This is the way I'm trading, and you can trade same. You can trade as well, and this is the way. Thank you so much for being with me. I just want to show you how to trade step by step. If you don't know how to trade, go to my main channel, Mr. Personal Trader. I show you and I record a lot of video about how to be a profitable trader, and as well for DeFi, how to earn passive income from DeFi. Thank you so much for watching the video. I see you tomorrow. Bye.